Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Dal full guide. Begin by rinsing and soaking lentils to shorten cooking time, then simmer them with salt and turmeric. While the dal cooks, prepare a fresh tadka with ghee or oil, mustard seeds, cumin, garlic, and chilies. Finish by stirring the tadka into the dal and adjusting salt and lemon for brightness. Serve hot with rice or roti for a comforting meal. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Use split tor or masoor dal depending on texture you prefer, and measure water to dal ratios carefully. Keep spices like turmeric, cumin, and red chili handy, and have fresh aromatics ready for the tadka. Heating ghee or oil until shimmering helps bloom spices for deeper flavor, so be patient with the tempering step. Cook lentils at a gentle simmer and check texture every 10 minutes for consistent results. Skim any foam that rises to keep the dal clear, and add water gradually if it thickens too fast. Make the tadka in a separate pan by heating oil, adding mustard and cumin, then aromatics and red chili. Pour this sizzling mix into the dal for an immediate flavor boost. Finish with lemon and cilantro to brighten.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.